my dear friend. Only 1 week into my season here, and already my senses are alive with the anticipation of each day. This was no exception. My morning hike to the shore was just amazing. I was enchanted by the sun's amber rays as it gently made their way across the mountains, illuminating everything in their path, welcoming a new day of discovery. Sometimes I have to pinch myself, because living here is like being in a dream at nature's door. Remember where we spent the day at the beach last year? You spotted the whales in the distance. Could there be a more inspirational place on Earth? I am ever the student of nature. Today's lesson: make time for self-reflection. Seek inner peace. Everywhere I turn, I am compelled to explore. Sitting amongst cactus wrens, gray thrashers, and hummingbirds, so close I feel their wings flutter in flight. Imagine a habitat so pure, it takes no heed of me. Is it any wonder we love this world unto itself?